It's up so early to see my garden. Okay, look at the sun. It's just up. Scarlet with me all the time. Follow me everywhere. Right, Scarlet? You wanna go with mommy? She's protecting me because one time there's a snake here in my garden. And I take my copy. This one is zucchini. It's radish again because favorite ni Honey Bunny radish. And if you can see, there is a small that's growing carrots. That one. This one I don't know what is that one. It just grow there because under is the compost that I have before and pop up. Maybe that one is cantaloupe or cucumber, I don't know. This one is string beans all the way there. This one too. This one is cherry tomato. This one is cantaloupe. And this one is purple sweet potato. Alexa is here right now. Alexa, what you smelling in there? This is the grapes and that we have before, and we cut it, and it's, look at that now. This one is a sweet potato again and some tomatoes. So that's my update on my garden, guys. I'll update you later again. Oh, Alexa is